For centuries, humanity believed we had mapped the world. But one of Earth's greatest mysteries wasn't hiding on land. It was hidden nearly 7 miles beneath the ocean's surface. The race to understand the deepest parts of Earth's oceans is one of the greatest scientific investigations in history. Modern ocean mapping has revealed that every major ocean contains an extreme abyss, vast underwater trenches created where tectonic plates collide. These are places of crushing pressure, total darkness, and temperatures hovering just above freezing. Yet despite satellites orbiting Earth and humans walking on the moon, we still know more about parts of Mars than many regions of our own ocean floor. The deepest known location on Earth is Challenger Deep, located within the Mariana Trench in the western Pacific Ocean. Modern measurements place its depth at approximately 10,925 meters, or 6.79 miles beneath sea level. To put that into perspective, if Mount Everest were dropped into Challenger Deep, its summit would still remain more than a mile underwater. At that depth, the pressure exceeds 1,000 times the atmospheric pressure we experience at sea level, enough to crush conventional submarines instantly. But the Pacific Ocean doesn't hold the only underwater giant. The Atlantic Ocean's deepest known point lies within the Puerto Rico Trench, reaching approximately 8,378 meters, or 5.22 miles deep. This massive trench forms where the North American and Caribbean tectonic plates meet. It has become an important location for scientists studying earthquakes, tsunamis, and the forces constantly reshaping our planet beneath the waves. Travel farther south, and another remarkable feature emerges. The Southern Ocean contains the South Sandwich Trench, plunging to roughly 7,434 meters. Located near Antarctica, this remote trench is one of the least explored places on Earth. Its extreme isolation and harsh weather have limited scientific expeditions, leaving many of its ecosystems virtually untouched by human observation. The Indian Ocean follows with the Java Trench, descending to approximately 7,258 meters. This trench marks another major tectonic boundary where enormous geological forces have shaped the seafloor over millions of years. It is also associated with one of history's most devastating natural disasters, the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami, which highlighted the tremendous power stored beneath the ocean floor. Finally, even the Arctic Ocean, often imagined as shallow beneath its ice, contains an impressive abyss known as Molloy Hole. At approximately 5,550 meters deep, it is the shallowest entry among the 5 oceans, yet still extends nearly 3.5 miles below the surface. Few people realize that beneath the Arctic ice lies terrain as dramatic as towering mountain ranges on land. Ranking these deepest known points reveals an astonishing reality. 1. Challenger Deep, Pacific Ocean, 10,925 meters, 6.79 miles. 2. Puerto Rico Trench, Atlantic Ocean, 8,378 meters, 5.22 miles. 3. South Sandwich Trench, Southern Ocean, 7,434 meters, 4.62 miles. 4. Java Trench, Indian Ocean, 7,258 meters, 4.51 miles. 5. Molloy Hole, Arctic Ocean, 5,550 meters, 3.45 miles. These incredible discoveries didn't happen overnight. The first measurements relied on weighted ropes lowered from sailing ships during the 19th century. Later came sonar technology, revolutionizing our understanding of the seafloor. Today, advanced multi-beam sonar systems mounted on research vessels can generate highly detailed three-dimensional maps of underwater landscapes with unprecedented accuracy. These technologies continue refining our knowledge of Earth's final frontier. The human quest to reach these depths has been equally extraordinary. In 1960, U.S. Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh and Swiss engineer Jacques Piccard became the first people to descend to Challenger Deep aboard the bathyscaphe Trieste. More than 50 years later, filmmaker James Cameron completed the first solo dive to the bottom. Since 2019, advances in deep submergence technology have allowed scientists and explorers to conduct repeated expeditions, dramatically expanding our understanding of these extreme environments. What researchers continue finding at these depths challenges long-held assumptions. Despite total darkness, near-freezing temperatures, and crushing pressure, life thrives. Scientists have documented unique microorganisms, amphipods, sea cucumbers, and other specialized organisms adapted to conditions once thought incapable of supporting complex life. These discoveries are reshaping biology and expanding our understanding of how life can survive in extreme environments, knowledge that may even help guide the search for life on icy moons like Europa and Enceladus. Yet perhaps the most astonishing discovery isn't how deep these places are. It's how little we still know. Much of Earth's seafloor remains incompletely mapped at high resolution. Every new expedition uncovers previously unknown geological formations, species, and clues about Earth's tectonic history. These trenches are not simply record-breaking holes in the ocean. They are living laboratories that help scientists understand earthquakes, climate, biodiversity, plate tectonics, and even the origins of life itself. The deeper scientists look, the clearer one truth becomes. Humanity has explored nearly every continent, reached the moon, and sent spacecraft beyond the solar system. But the greatest frontier may still lie beneath the waves. Every descent into these underwater abysses reminds us that Earth is still filled with mysteries waiting to be discovered, and the deepest points in our oceans may hold some of the most important scientific revelations yet to come.